Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you're looking to transform your front porch or backyard, I cannot recommend a swing enough. And I love this one that we got from Fortune Candy. This is a solid wood swing that you can tell the craftsmanship from the minute you take it out of the box. It comes partially assembled, so it only took my husband and I a few minutes to put the pieces together. When we were hanging it from our very large walnut tree, we could tell that this was going to be super heavy duty and last a really long time. We were replacing a broken down, very old swing, and it has been so nice to see the transformation back here with this beautiful wood swing. Another feature that I absolutely love on this swing is cup holders. Ingenious. Now you can swing with ease and still have a safe place for your beverage. This swing can hold up to 800 pounds, so that gives you the confidence to know that this is an extremely well-built swing that's heavy duty and going to last you a very long time. We think this swing is absolutely beautiful, and I am thrilled to have it here in our backyard. It's so enjoyable to sit under our tree and enjoy our backyard with company around our fire pit. If you're looking for a solid wood swing for your front porch or backyard under a tree, I cannot recommend this brand, Fortune Candy, enough. This swing has transformed our backyard, and I absolutely adore it. But that's just my point of view.